The perfect toolkit for getting started with paintless dent removal. BLE Tools is a UK based company that make and sell high quality paintless dent removal tools. I've put together the perfect beginner kit and I'm going to run you through it today. So you get this light, the mini power bank. You've got a high quality vacuum pump, this arm that connects directly to the back of this lamp. BLE will customize it to you so you can choose what color bulbs you have, and they've got a variety of different lenses. I like these narrow lines. You get 2 power banks. That means you can always have one on charge whilst you're working, so you never run out of light. There's a wide window wedge to open up the gap. There's 2 different knockdowns to allow you to work on soft or fine high spots. And then you also get this felt lined window guard, which is ideal when I use my wedge to open up the gap, slide the window guard down to allow me to start working on doors. I usually recommend starting PDR on a bonnet panel or hood panel. This handheld tool is 6mm diameter, 6 inches in length, and is ideal for accessing some of those small holes you get on the underside of a panel to allow you to start practicing tight access repairs. Next up we have this T-handle double bend bar. Now this thing is super strong, very versatile, and it's one of my favourite, most used PDR tools. You've got a threaded tip which allows you to use a number of different tips across a variety of different dents. You get 2 tips included, a round dome tip which is ideal for putting little plastic caps on, and a finer tip that really allows you to practice accuracy. There's a rope ratchet to allow you to secure your practice panel down to a stand to stop any movement whilst you're learning the skills of PDR. You get a number of different plastic caps. Now these are brilliant across most of the tools in this kit. I use them on the screw-in tips but also on the blade tips themselves. So this is one I've got set up on my door bar. There's 2 S-hooks and a chain. This allows you to play around with the leverage underneath your panel. Using one of the S-hooks in a small hole, you can then thread one of your tools like the double bend bar through the link and really allow some leverage and accuracy when doing your pushing. These 3 door bars all have a ratchet handle or multi-position handle. We've got different lengths and also slight different angles. So this first one is the long bar, and it's what I refer to as a hockey stick style tool. They're all blade tips, and this one I've just got a plastic cap on the end. Next up is a slightly shorter version of the same bar. This is great for getting in the top section of door panels. Really nice strong bar, again hockey stick style bent and a blade tip. Having both the long and short versions of this tool allow you to practice on the top section and the lower section of most door panels. The third door bar in this set is the same diameter. These are all 8mm bars, but this time you can see we've got more of a hook to the shape. This really allows you to reach the top sections of a door or get in behind some of those braces and support beams. So if you're going to start repairing dents, you're going to need a hammer. This is a lightweight wooden hammer and it's got 2 tips that you can change. There's a hard white nylon tip and a softer grey rubber tip. This allows you to control the force that you're using with your tap downs. The last tool in this kit is this narrow whale tail. Now this tool is ideal for sliding in behind the braces on a bonnet panel and really practicing those tight access repairs, getting used to working with a whale tail and just gently moving out some of the dents. You may have noticed throughout this video a lot of these tools are stamped with my company name, Learn PDR Online. When you speak to BLE Tools, let them know your company brand and they will stamp it on the tools for you. It all packs away into this sturdy carry case so you can look the part whether you're practicing at home or out on the road as a PDR tech. So get your tools from BLE Tools and start training with learnpdronline.com. Thanks for watching.